In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invest your first $100 in stocks or ETFs using Robinhood. Let's start by visiting robinhood.com and logging into your account. If you're new to the platform, take a moment to look around the dashboard so you're comfortable with where everything is. After logging in, direct your attention to the search bar, typically found at the top of the page. Click on Search and type in the name or symbol of any stock or ETF that interests you. When you see it appear, go ahead and click it to bring up its details page. Once you're on the stock or ETF's info page, you'll see a button labeled Trade. Click on Trade and then select Buy. Now, you'll notice that Robinhood usually defaults to buying by shares, but for your $100 portfolio, I highly recommend switching to the dollars option instead of shares. This lets you invest a fixed dollar amount instead of buying a full share, which is particularly useful if the stock or ETF is fairly expensive. For a diversified portfolio, consider entering an amount between $10 and $50 for each stock. Before finalizing your order, take a look at the order type setting. Robinhood gives you a few choices here. Market orders will buy the stock immediately at the current price, while limit orders give you control to set the highest price you're willing to pay. Limit orders can be really helpful if you want to avoid paying more than you expect. But for beginners, market orders are usually a simple place to start. Once you've selected your preferred order type, click Review to double-check your choices and then Submit to place your order. Continue this process for other stocks or ETFs until you've split up your $100 across a handful of investments. Let's talk about how to build your $100 portfolio wisely. Using Robinhood's fractional shares feature allows you to purchase small slices of pricier stocks, so you don't need hundreds of dollars to own quality companies. This ability to buy fractions helps you diversify even with a limited budget. Aim to select between 2 and 5 different stocks or ETFs. Diversifying your investments in this way helps reduce your risk. If one stock performs poorly, the others could help balance things out. If you're not sure where to start, consider low-cost ETFs or well-known blue-chip stocks with a reputation for stability. Finally, remember to avoid overtrading. With a $100 portfolio, growth is going to be gradual. Patience is key. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. That's how you can start investing with just $100 on Robinhood. By carefully selecting a few diversified stocks or ETFs and making use of fractional shares, you'll be off to a responsible start with your investing journey. Thanks for watching and happy investing.